the sheer scale of the US chicken industry. You might enjoy a chicken sandwich, but have you ever stopped to think about the number of birds that actually end up on your plate? The answer is staggering. An estimated 9 billion chickens are slaughtered in the United States every single year. In this video, we'll explore the mechanics behind this massive industry, delve into the ethical and environmental concerns, and discuss what this means for our food system. Nine billion chickens. It's a mind-boggling number. To put it into perspective, that's enough chickens to circle the Earth twice. If you line them up beak to tail, this incredible volume is achieved through a highly efficient yet often overlooked system. From the moment a chick hatches to the moment it becomes a packaged product on your supermarket shelf, the process is meticulously orchestrated. Millions of eggs are incubated daily, producing billions of chicks. These chicks are then transported to massive broiler houses, where they spend their short lives growing rapidly. Let's take a closer look at these broiler houses. Imagine thousands of birds crammed into a single building, breathing the same air, living on a thin layer of bedding. These birds are genetically engineered to grow incredibly fast, reaching slaughter weight in just a few short weeks. This rapid growth can put a strain on their bodies, leading to health problems like lameness and heart issues. The journey ends at the slaughterhouse, a highly mechanized facility where the birds are processed at an astonishing rate, stunning, bleeding, scalding, defeathering. Each step in the line is carried out with precision and speed. While necessary to feed a growing population, the slaughterhouse is a stark reminder of the reality behind the chicken on our plate. The production of animal feed also has a significant environmental impact, requiring vast amounts of land and water resources. Beyond the environmental impact, there are also concerns about the impact on human health. The overuse of antibiotics in poultry production contributes to the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, a growing public health threat. Furthermore, the workers who process these birds often face challenging and sometimes hazardous working conditions. As consumers, we have the power to make a difference. By choosing to buy chicken from more sustainable and ethical sources, we can support farmers who prioritize animal welfare and environmental sustainability. We can also reduce our consumption of meat overall. Exploring plant-based alternatives and embracing a more plant-centric diet. It's crucial to be informed consumers and to demand transparency from the food industry. The 9 billion chickens slaughtered annually in the US represent a complex and multifaceted issue. It's a story of efficiency, of industrialization, and of the often hidden costs associated with our food choices. This video has only scratched the surface of this complex topic. I encourage you to do your own research, explore different perspectives, and engage in thoughtful discussions about the future of our food system. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.